طيب let's revise the rules together. Yeah, we said yesterday that we have to study. يا crashed, we started. يلا stop it. We have to study 3 rules. Area means we are finding the distance inside any shape. Area of a square, rectangle, and the right triangle. فاطمة ماضي yesterday you entered late ما هيك؟
No.
Okay. Someone entered late, so you have to check the recorded Zoom period in order to understand the lesson.
Me, teacher.
Yes, Adam, yes. طيب. So عندنا الاريا لسكوير, rectangle, and right triangle. طيب نحن we said that
مش page you open
157. الاريا لسكوير. How do we find the area of a square? What is the area of a square?
side times
Bravo.
side.
So side times side. So we multiply the length of this side by the length of this side. يعني for example 4 times 4. Or if it's 5 we multiply 5 times 5 and so on. طيب الاريا للrectangle, what is the general rule?
Length times width.
Bravo.
Length
Length times width, and they are different because it's a rectangle, it's not a square. يعني for example maybe the length equals 8 and the width equals 2. How will find its area? Simply just multiply 8 by 2. طيب بيبقى عندنا one shape اللي هو right triangle. نحن قلنا انه right triangle composed of two sides that form a right angle. What do we call the two sides that form a right angle? We call them
half a triangle.
لا teachers.
Base and height.
Bravo Bilal, base and height. Excellent. So the two sides that form a right angle we call them base and height. أعطيناهم تسمية base و height. الهايت هو perpendicular like this side, والبيز هو البطن للرايت triangle. Okay, so a right triangle is composed of base and height اللي هني the two sides that form a right angle. هلا in order to find its area للtriangle we have to do 2 steps. The first step, what shall I do? In order to find its area, the first step, what shall I do? We multiply base by its height. We multiply height by the base. طيب the second step.
The number it will get.
The number that we got, we divided by the base.
We divided by 2 because it's half. It's half. Bravo Zainab. We divided by 2. Bravo Lian. Bravo Mariam. So we divide the answer by 2. So we have to do 2 steps. We multiply the base by the height. Then we divide the answer by 2. هيدي هي الرول لأنه التريانجل دايما هو half of the base times height. So yesterday we wrote the 3 rules. We wrote that square we multiply side by side. Rectangle we multiply length by width. Triangle we find first base times height, then half of it. يعني we divide the answer by 2. And what is the area unit? What is the area unit?
Meter square.
Meter square. If it's in centimeter, we have to write centimeter square. إذا هو كان بالمتر, we write meter square. Bravo. Good morning, Luna. Did you check yesterday, ya Luna, the recorded Zoom period?
Yes, sorry, yesterday I didn't attend.
Yes, because you were absent yesterday. And we explained a new lesson. So did you check the recorded Zoom period?
Yes, I memorized the areas.
Okay, bravo Luna. طيب هلا part B يا teacher, we did yesterday part A. Part B you have to do it alone tomorrow because you have educational files tomorrow at 2 p.m. So خلال هيدي الحصة أنتم بتشتغلوها لحالكم كclass work. No need to send it to me and we'll correct it tomorrow together, okay?
Teacher,
Okay, Mariam. Hey, Mariam, bravo. Yes, crashed.
Teacher, it is not homework. Only
it's not homework, it's a
classwork.
classwork. Yeah. So now I explain for you question 4, page 158. Yeah. Let's use the whiteboard before we start with this question. Yeah. عنا square وعندنا rectangle.
Sir, we want the ruler.
No. عندنا square وعندنا box فيه rectangle. عندنا square I will name them A and square B. Rectangles I will name them rectangle A and rectangle B. طيب. Here I will write side. Here I will find its area. Here I will give you length and width. And we will find their areas. Width, here area. If the length of its side equals 9, find its area. And here it's 36 centimeters square. دايما اليونت area هي سنتيمتر 2 يعني سنتيمتر square. Rectangle length let's say 8, width let's say 3. You will find its area. In the second one, I will give you the area. It's let's say it's how much? 24, or let's say 18. 18 centimeters square. Oh, I will give you the length. It's 9. Find the width. Yeah. How we will find here the missing number? First of all, we will write under each figure. يعني here we have to write the area of a square, and here we have to write the area of a rectangle. طيب. Yesterday we stopped at لين عقل. لين عقل.
Yes.
What is the general rule للarea of a square?
The area of a square is side times side.
برافو. Side times side. طيب. Here in the first figure اللي هو الفيجر A, I gave you the side equals 9. How will find its area?
We will put 9 times 9.
برافو لين. So 9 times 9. How much 9 times 9?
81.
81.
81. هيثم I asked لين. Centimeter square. برافو لين. Excellent. So الاريا للسكوير side times side. So the side equals 9. So 9 times 9 equals 81. Is it clear the first one?
Yeah.
Okay. Next, Manessa عبادة. Manessa. Manessa.
Hi.
Manessa. مريم كوراني.
Yes, your teacher.
طيب here يا مريم I do the opposite. I gave you the area. You want to know the length of the side. So what shall I do? I ask myself, يا مريم, which two numbers we multiply them together? The answer should be how much here, يا مريم?
Miss, wait.
36.
36. So Jude,
we should go up.
I'm explaining Jude.
No, Miss, not like this, but yesterday you were going from down to up.
Miss, it's 6 times 6.
6 times 6.
Miss, 6 times 6.
Haitham, what's your name? Haitham or Mariam Qurani? شو يا هيثم؟ قل في حدا عم بجاوب من دون إذن غيرك؟ Tell me. أنا قلت أول مرة جاوبت عن لين. هلا سألنا مريم جاوبت عن مريم. شو يا هيثم؟ إنه حدا يجاوب بالصف غيرك، ما هيك؟ بدك اشتغلها لحالك. Just check your answer on the board. But you are not allowed to say the answer without permission. So, which two numbers we multiply them together give us 36 يا مريم?
6 times 6.
6 times 6. Why يا مريم you didn't choose, for example, wait a minute, let me share it again. Why you didn't choose the 9 times 4? طب ما 9 times 4 يا مريم also it give us 36.
Yes.
Why يا مريم? Why did you choose 6, not 9 and 4? Do you know why?
Teacher, can I?
Because I know.
Teacher, can
Zainab
I?
Musa, why?
Yes,
Teacher,
teacher, I
because
can.
the square
Because
has
the
4
square
equal
side
sides.
times side.
Yes, that's it. Bravo. Because the square side times side. يعني the square has 4 equal sides.
Four
طب I
equal
can't
sides.
say 9 and time 9 times 4 بتظبط للريكتانجل length و width هن different. But بالsquare they have to be the same. يعني the two numbers should be equal because it's a square. يعني the two sides should be equal. It's not a rectangle. بالrectangle they can be different in length وال width. But in a square they can't. So هيدا التشويس اللي هو 9 times 4 we can't choose it because it's a square. They have to be equal. So the side here equals how much, Mariam? 6 centimeter. برافو. Is it clear?
Clear.
Okay.
هلا rectangle أنا بحل السكوير كمان خلاص.
Yes.
عرفت كيف.
لونا عليان. لونا عليان. لونا.
Is here it's muted.
لونا. لونا unmute please.
حليت عرفت حليت
فاطمة. لونا.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. يلا. الاريا للريكتانجل now يا لونا. Do you know the general rule? What is the area of a rectangle?
Length times width.
برافو. Length times width. يلا. The length equals 8, the width equals 3. Multiply them together and find its area. Luna.
Yes.
يلا. Yes, Luna.
It's 10.
What? Luna. Luna.
It equals 24.
24. Okay, now I'm hearing you. So 24.
She's talking.
Bravo.
She has poor connection.
Yes. 24 centimeter square. Okay. فاطمة ماضي.
Yes, teacher.
يلا يا فاطمة. هلا يا فاطمة the length equals 9. You will find the width والarea equals 18. So what shall I do, Fatima? Do you know what shall I do? نحن بنعرف يا فاطمة إنه الarea هي length times width. ما هيك؟
Yes.
طيب equals how much here الarea؟
20 meters.
فاطمة. يا زينب stop it please. فاطمة ماضي.
Yes.
ايه الاريا equals how much؟
The area equals 24.
ليه 24؟ نحن هلا بالفيجر بي فاطمة بالفيجر بي.
I told you.
How
I
much
thought that's saying.
ما عم بسمعك فاطمة. الاريا how much؟
18 centimeters.
اوكي. واللينث how much اللينث؟
9.
9. How do we find the width؟
No.
So I ask myself which number يا فاطمة in table 9
Table 9
give
gives
us
us 18.
18. Which number?
Easy.
Teacher, can I say?
Can I
Teacher,
say?
Give her time. Give her time.
With 2.
2. Excellent. So the width equals 2. Okay. Thank you فاطمة. برافو. Teacher يعني رفيقكم ممنوع ياخد بس 2 minutes حتى يفكر بالجواب؟ لازم دغري يقول الجواب in 1 minute؟
Miss,
Yes, Jude.
we will continue the number 100, page 157, number 1.
لا, you will continue it today alone. Tomorrow we'll correct it together.
Okay.
Yeah. Page 158, exercise 4, parts A and B. Now, Ali Ghasham. يلا علي.
Yes.
يلا يا علي. عندنا square A of side 3. Find its area. يلا, what is the area of a square يا علي? general rule.
Miss, can I say it?
I.
علي ما عم بسمع. علي
Yes.
what did you say area للسكوير علي ما عم بسمع. علي
Yes, yes.
يلا what is the area of a square general rule did you revise them علي غشام
Yes.
طيب علي عقيل زينب
Easy.
موسى
Miss, can I say it?
زينب موسى
Yes, you're both up.
موسى
Yes, teacher. It's side times side.
برافو side times side you have to study the rules يا علي غشام طيب side here how much يا زينب
3 centimeters.
so how do we find its area
We will make 3 centimeters times 3 centimeters.
برافو 3 times 3 how much
9.
9 excellent
9 centimeters.
برافو زينب thank you زينب بو خليل
Yes.
yeah هلا I gave you the area at 16 how do we find the side
We will see what's the two numbers we
برافو
sometimes gives us 16. It's 4 times 4 equals 16.
برافو زينب بو خليل why you didn't choose 2 times 8 زينب
Because it's side to side.
برافو so the sides should be
The number should be like each other.
برافو excellent زينب برافو they have to be equal so side here 4 centimeter excellent زينب next حيدر سعد علي غشام is it clear
Yes.
طيب can you do part C now figure C side 10 how will find its area
Miss one.
with this one
Okay. Yes, yes.
yeah
Square.
yes let's square how will find its area
Side times side.
bravo so
10 times 10.
excellent so
100.
برافو 100 برافو علي 100 centimeter square طيب
Yes.
thank you حيدر سعد now حيدر طيب حسن درويش
Teacher, I did table
Yes,
A,
teacher.
table B.
برافو يلا يا حسن هلا الاريا
Yes.
25 how will find the side
Side times side.
برافو so which two numbers we multiply them give us 25 يا حسن
Easy.
يلا which two numbers give
Miss,
us
I know.
give him يا جود time give him time
15 and 10.
لا لا
Miss,
لا
no.
لا in
Miss,
table
can
5
I?
in
It's
table
5 times 5.
5 times 5.
5 times
5
5.
times
5
5.
times 5 so the side here equals how much
5 times 5 equal 10. 5 times 25.
25 so it's 5 centimeter 5 times
Yes.
2 10
Yes.
5 times 5 25
I just
Miss?
okay Hassan thank you
Miss, wait. Miss, this
Welcome,
lesson, yeah, Miss Rectangle, I was in the bathroom when you explained it, but the square, I know it.
طيب الريكتانجل هلا عم نشرحه يا جود يلا the first one يا جود it's easy length 3 will width 5 find its area
Miss, we multiply them.
yes 3 times 5
3 times 5 is 15. So
برافو
the area is 15 centimeter square.
excellent so general rule يا جود الاريا للريكتانجل what is the general rule
The area of rectangle is general rule. It's length times width.
برافو length times width thank you
This I memorized them.
yes جاد اسماعيل now
Yes.
بدي اسمع صوتك يا جاد يلا هلا you will find يا جاد the length عندنا الويدث 16 وعندنا الاريا 48 يعني length we will know it الويدث how much 16 will answer 48 يعني you have to look at table 16 and you will check which number in table 16 give us 48 let's write table 16 جاد 0 16
I'm saying
then يا teacher
16.
then
I am the
30.
جاد take your time معك الوقت اوكي خذ وقتك يلا 16
Can we
plus
help
16.
him in the table?
يعني اذا انتم ساعدتوه بالتيبل هو شو بكون عامل ولا شيء ما هيك
Yeah, yes, yes, he won't do anything, so we won't say anything.
32.
yes 32 برافو then
Then 48.
exactly so count which number give us 48
3.
3 برافو so the answer will be 3 برافو جاد thank you تالين غريب so is it clear يا جود because you were not here once.
very easy.
okay now تالين غريب طيب بلال شور
Yes, teacher.
يلا يا بلال هلا figure C length 12 والwidth 10 how will find its area
Teacher, the time is 12 by 10.
برافو 12 times 10
Teacher, it's 2.
12 times 10
Oh, teacher, I want to add, I want to multiply them.
12 times 1
12 times 1 is 12.
then
And
we
we
add
Plus 0.
20 centimeters.
برافو برافو بلال 120 سنتيمتر سكوير أمير عبود
Teacher, I thought
yes 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 بعرف محمد I know أمير عبود أيمن عيديبة
Yes.
يلا يا أيمن هلا figure D length 9 والarea 72 how will find the width
9 times 8 equals 72.
so bravo 9 times which number equals 72 it's 8 so the width equals 8 bravo Ayman thank you yeah done from this question is it clear
Yes.
Here.
okay هلا question 5 can I move to question 5
Yes. Yes, teacher.
yeah here in question 5 I gave you a figure هيدا الفيجر إذا بنطلع فيه نحن we took it in grade 4 it's a parallelogram هيدا البر اللي كله الكبير اوكي
نعرفه نحن هذيك
Parallelogram.
yes parallelogram the opposite sides are parallel
Can you go up? Can you go up fast?
كمان triangle نص الباراليلوجرام.
the parallelogram if you look here we divided into 3 shapes ما هيك
Yes. 2 rectangles and one.
2 triangles and one
Triangles and one rectangle.
bravo bravo so we divide this parallelogram into 2 right triangles and a rectangle ما هيك طيب we will find now the area of this parallelogram so we will find the area of the 2 triangles and the area of a rectangle then how we'll find the total area of this figure
We add them.
bravo excellent we will add them all so I will in order to find the area of this figure اللي هو parallelogram we will find first the area of this triangle then the area of a rectangle then the area of the second triangle and we will add them all because if we join them together they will give us a parallelogram okay Nice. So let's find first the area للtriangle right has to be right عشان يكون عنده base و height then الarea للrectangle then second triangle at the end we will find the area للfigure اللي هو parallelogram A means area okay
Okay.
طيب
Okay.
now أسيل مكنا آدم زيتون
Yes.
Adam, tell us the rule. Area of triangle. Did you revise its rule?
Side times side.
لا triangle.
Miss
Right.
length times width.
لا triangle.
Oh, the triangle.
بس base
Half.
half
Half base.
Rectangle.
Base times height.
base times height. برافو برافو. دايما التريانجل الرايت تريانجل نحن قلنا انه هو عنده بيز وعنده هايت، ما هيك؟ اللي هن the two sides that form a right angle we call them base and height. يعني these two sides that form a right angle we call them base and height. طيب how which two numbers we have to multiply them, Adam, first? Adam.
And height.
Yes.
يلا look at that triangle. Multiply the base by height.
3 times 2.
برافو. 3 times 2 how much?
5. 6.
6. Then we'll find its half. شو يعني half? We divide 6
By 2.
by 2. 6 divided by 2.
3.
3. So its unit, its area is 3 centimeter square.
Square.
Thank you, Adam. Amir Aboud. Amir.
Teacher, I did it.
طيب هيثم اسماعيل.
Can we
يلا. What is
start from the middle?
what?
We are always starting down.
You did يا أيمن
Yesterday
today.
and
هلا يلا you did today يا أيمن. يلا هيثم area للريكتانجل now.
Miss length times width.
برافو. length times width. يلا multiply the length by the width. Look at the rectangle. How much is the length? How much is the width?
Miss 5 times 3.
برافو. How much?
15.
برافو. centimeter square. Thank you هيثم. هيا البردان.
Yes.
area للsecond triangle. يلا. Find its rule first. The rule.
For the triangle,
Yes.
I mean, percent lagged.
What?
It's base times height.
Half base times height. طيب.
Yes.
يلا multiply
Yes.
base by the height. How much the base by the height?
5 times 2.
ليه 5؟ لا هيدا التريانجل هون يا هيا لوين رحت؟
3 times 2.
هيدا 3 times 2 اللي هني the two sides that form a right angle. 3 times 2 how much يا هيا؟
6.
6. Then find its half means we divide it by هيا we divide it by 2. 6 divided by 2 هيا 3 centimeter square. Okay. Now مهدي عيسى.
Teacher, I can.
ايه هيا عم بسمعك.
I disconnected.
اوكي طيب. مهدي.
Teacher, yes,
Yeah, what shall I do now with the three areas here? How will find the area of the parallelogram?
we have to add them.
Bravo. So we will add 3 by
15
plus
3.
3. How much? So here 3, here 15, and here 3. How much?
I know.
I know.
Yalla, Yalla, tell me the answer.
21.
21. Thank you. So the total area اللي هي الاريا للباراليلوجرام it's 21 centimeter square. يلا.
I'm done.
يبقى عنا just one problem اللي هي problem 1 page 159.
Teacher, what did you do?
Miss to open the microphone to unmute.
Yeah. Did you write problem exercise 5? Did you copy it?
Yes.
Teacher.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is the last Zoom session. Math.
Yes.
Teacher, what will do tomorrow? Sorry.
tomorrow هلا ما بيبقى عنا وقت لنخلص problem 1. حشرحها بكره بنكفيها وبنكفي exercise 1
Miss.
part B اللي حتشتغلوا لحالكم.
ماسك فينا يعني فينا نحن نحلها انه لحالنا.
يس هلا حشرح لكم اياها وحتشتغلوها لحالكم. اوكي.
Okay.
A land has the shape of a square whose side is 20 meter. يعني شكلها لهيدي اللاند هو square. ما هيك؟
Yes.
Side 20 meters. طيب. On this land we build a rectangular swimming pool. بهيدي اللاند we build what? A rectangular swimming pool. Inside it of length 10 meters and width 6 meters. Calculate the area of the land surrounding the swimming pool. يعني that's outside the swimming pool. هيدا الاريا that I'm coloring it now. Okay? The area that surrounds the swimming pool. This is the area that surrounds the swimming pool. طيب هيدي opposite to the problem that we did it now. يعني here in the parallelogram we are finding the total area, so we added all the areas together. Here after we found the area la square والarea of what also? شو عنا غير square هون؟ rectangle. طيب how will find the area of the colored part? What shall I do with the two areas?
We make minus. We make
Bravo,
minus.
excellent Ayman, proud of you. Why we have to subtract?
Because the remaining part will be the
برافو. The remaining part هي الاريا اللي هي انا لونتها اللي هي that's outside the swimming pool, the one that surrounds. Okay? يعني انا من هيدا سكوير كله الاريا للسكوير كله انا بلاقي اول شيء بشيل منها الاريا للريكتانجل بيبقى عندي هيدي الاريا للكولرد بارت.
Yes.
Okay? يلا you have to work it alone, then tomorrow we'll correct it together. Okay?
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.
You will find the area of a square, a rectangle, then you have to subtract the two areas together.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
بس انا لقيت الجواب بسرعة.